Alright, severe thunderstorm watch expansion message is about to come across over KXL81. I have it ready to be relayed. It'll relay in just any second.
Heat continues for several days. Prolonged exposure to the heat may quickly result in heat exhaustion or heat stroke, especially if your body is working hard. With multiple outdoor activities planned for the holiday on Wednesday, extra effort should be made to prepare for the heat, reduce strenuous activities, and drink plenty of...
There it goes.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 28 remains in effect until 8 p.m. and expanded to include the following areas: northern Georgia,
That's the end of that.